friends, welcome back again. In this video we are going to learn how can we do the new entry on the FreshBooks app. Let's get started. Open the FreshBooks app, then you will get this page. Here you have to click on time tracking option. Now you can see that's our page. Here you have to click on new entry. First search for a client. You have to search for a client here. Then you have to add a service. Now click on this start. You have to click start timing and end timing. Now you have to add a name. Here you have to add a date. Add notes here. Now you have to tick it. So this is how we have done a new entry from here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.